观众朋友们，大家好，欢迎收看今天的直击美股，我是王蒙宇，在纽约纳斯达克向您问好。今天是纽约时间6月7日，星期三。美国股市周三小幅上涨，原油价格向南走高，涨势好转。自从本周开始以来，贸易一直保持谨慎，潜在的市场动向使事件疑虑者有所存在。道琼斯工业平均指数上涨15点，小于0.1%，至21,150点。标准普尔500指数上涨0.1%，纳斯达克综合指数上涨0.4%，新增19点至6294点，涨幅约为0.3%。能源股大幅下挫1.36%。能源资讯管理局的信息显示，原油库存在最近一周出乎意料的上涨，在需求依然不断稳定的情况下，供应负面。CVX 公司下跌1.1%，而马拉松石油公司 MRO 下跌3%。然而，投资者依然关注超级星期四事件。美国前任联邦调查局局长詹姆斯·可米调查俄罗斯和白宫在2017年美国总统竞选潜在的关联，英国大选以及欧洲中央银行会议。由于担心这些事件，主要指数连续下降。然而，它们仍然接近上周创下的纪录水平。下面让我们来看一下 T3 首席执行官 Scott 对于今天股市回顾。
Good morning. My name is Scott, the Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's Morning Call Express. So today is Wednesday, and market's definitely trading a little bit testy. Yesterday we had a bit of an air pocket in the overall indices and some of the FANG names, but today we're getting no follow-up selling. Europe is up small. You have the Shanghai up 1.2%, so our futures are up 4 or 5 handles. So at this particular point, we'll figure out whether or not, or try and figure out if their early morning strength holds or does some, follow-up selling happen. If you look here at the chart of the S&P cash, you will see that all in all, still very healthy action. Here's when we took out this 2400, came in. What did we hold? We held 2427, which was Friday's low. But when you close in the lows, sometimes you reduce a little risk, thinking, hey, why not test the 8-day again, which we are not doing this morning. We're up a little bit, so the question is, does the early morning strength hold? And I guess you have some resistance at 2436, and then 2440 is the all-time high. So we'll see what happens here today to get some clues on whether or not the early morning strength holds. We've seen a little bit better action in the IWM. Why have we seen better action? Because you've had this big consolidation, which a lot of people were saying was going to lead to a big failure to the downside, wound up rallying hard and then holding yesterday right exactly where we talked to in yesterday's Morning Call Express, right around this 137.80. So with that being said, if today it holds above this and continues to build in the upper quadrant of this overall, just say, channel, maybe there'll be enough power to lead the market above the 141, 142 area over time, and that would probably be a thorn in the bear's side. So as of now, it's back in the game perhaps for active traders to look to see if we can get some alpha there. The IBB, the buyers have also been kind of like just a no trade or a very choppy trade. You did get a red dog reversal right here. Remember we talked about that at 283.70. You had a 3-day potent move, and what did it do yesterday? It didn't fall apart. It held higher. So, it's something that I will be watching to see if that continues. If we could continue to hold that spot, okay, which just say, hold on. Let me get you so you could see it right here, which is around 291 in the IBB, and hold this upper third of this area from this rally. Yesterday, you had a sell program in the afternoon in a lot of the names that we trade, whether it was Amazon, Google, Facebook, Baba, Apple, all of them, hidden air pockets. So if you sold some strength yesterday or sold when you had a red dog reversal sell signal, what is that? Well, I'll give you for instance, in Amazon. Okay, Amazon, which has had a big move to the upside, and nobody wants to get caught just in case it corrects a bit. So what happened was, Amazon traded above the prior high here, okay, which, think about it, Amazon was just here at 981, so, getting back below 1,013, about 30 points higher, no one wants to get caught, so it made a new high of 1,016, went below 1,013. That was my sell signal. So we'll see if it just hangs out up a few dollars and goes again or not. You know, if you do use sell signals like that intraday, you could have saved yourself, you know, a decent-sized move to the downside that at this point hasn't amounted to much. You know, from 1,012 to 1,001, that's 10 points if you're an active trader. Doesn't seem like a whole lot in the scheme of things, but it could hurt. So for today, it'll be interesting to see what happens here. Does it rally back up and, you know, and get rejected at 107 to 110 and sell down again and go red? Or does it go into this area and hold and then just rebuild? I would use that same kind of strategy and thought process for the rest of high beta tech.
以上就是今天的节目，更多消息请您关注华尔街多媒体官方网站、微博以及微信客户端。感谢您的收看，我们下期再见。